All right, we're gonna get started here, guys. Thank you so much for coming to the Beetle Battle Kickoff. I'm so ready to do another combat robotics competition with you guys. Who's ready? Let me hear it. Woo woo! All right, so this semester we're gonna actually have two weight classes. One's the same as last semester, where we're gonna have an ant weight plastics, and the other one is gonna be beetle weight, just normal beetle weight. Any materials are allowed. So you can upgrade yourself to metal bots here. Oh, no, I'm controlling my slides. Hello. Okay. All right. So this is the signups QR. If you want to just scan this, maybe get it started, save it for later, and then we'll go on with the rest of the presentation. Or you can keep working while I'm talking. I don't mind. So, yeah. Huh? Okay, yeah, beetle weight is a 3-pound weight class instead of the 1 pound 8 ant weight class. And with the beetle weight class is actually the same like size dimension limits too. So you'll have that 1-foot cube again. And that's just, it's probably not going to be a huge constraint, but it helps you keep things more compact. So your weight is not going to be as much of an issue if you're staying within that 1-foot cube. Yeah, all right. Looks like most people got it. And this is on our website too, if you don't get it right here. It's invite only? Okay, well, I will fix that. It's posted on the website. There's also a Discord, and that link does work, so I'll drop it in there too. Okay, so build nights. They're going to be Thursdays, 6 to 8 p.m. And we're going to have some shop techs there that'll help you check out the shop. You can buy parts that you need, and there's also going to be the Combat Robotics Club, BY Combat Robotics Club. Let's give Cole a hand right here. He's the club president. Whoop, whoop. He's an awesome resource for you guys. Ask him lots of questions. He's amazing at this. Okay, this is the Discord. So if you want to just scan this link, you can join the Discord. We've got shop techs on there that can answer some of your questions about logistics. And then we'll have all of the club presidency members on there. And if you are a shop tech or somebody who's in BYU Combat Robotics Club presidency, send me a DM so I can upgrade your like status thing in the Discord. Because you've got roles. That's the word. Yeah. Okay. And then these are important dates for this semester. So you just want to save these dates in your calendar. Today was the kickoff. You made it. Good job. And then Saturday, February 17th, that's when student signups close. So you're going to want to have a team gotten together and signed up with that team with team name for that by February 17th. Alumni signups close March 2nd. We didn't actually have any last semester, but I'm still hoping for that. And then our mid-semester review is going to be March 7th. And then we're going to have safety inspections April 4th. And we don't have Thanksgiving break this semester, so that'll make it a little bit easier. We'll have more build nights because there's more 3-day weekends, less Thursdays off this semester. So it'll make it a lot easier for you guys to get in all your build nights and be able to build your bot. And then Beetle Battle is April 13th in the Wilkinson Student Center Garden Court. Same place it was last semester on April 13th. That's a Saturday. Okay. And then here's some important rules. I've mentioned some of these already. So the plastics class armor and weapons must be made of PET, PETG, ABS, PLA, PLA+. And it's like limited to that list, actually. And then wheeled robots, which is probably going to be most of them, and that includes like treads, must weigh 1 pound or less and 3 pounds or less for the ant and beetle weight classes, respectively. If you have a shuffle bot or if you have something that's non-wheeled and really creative, you can get weight bonuses. So you can have 1.5 pound bots or 2 pound bots for the ant weight class division, or 4.5 pound bots or 6 pound bots for the beetle weight division, if you're really creative with your locomotion. Matches end after 3 minutes or after a KO, tap out, forfeit. Any of those things will end a match. And if it ends at the end of 3 minutes, the judges will decide who was the winner of that match. Winners of both brackets, both the ant weight bracket and the beetle weight bracket, we're no longer going to have an alumni bracket because there was just not enough attendance last time. We're going to plan on having them in the regular bracket. Anyway, both brackets will receive a prize and a trophy, prize money and a trophy, sorry. And then just a note about building your bot. Make sure it's according to construction specifications. I don't want to have to make you drop out. That would be really sad. I want you guys all to compete. And loophole finding is not good. We don't want that. If you like have something with your bot design that you're thinking about and you're like, I don't know if this is gonna work, email me or email Cole. His information is also on our website. And then judges choose a winner based on those 3 categories: control, aggression, and damage. And there's kind of like points that go along with that. Those are in the rules that are posted on the website as well. Don't be unsportsmanlike, be nice, be Christ-like. Thank you. And then some changes have been made to the rules. Additionally, just with the addition of the weight class and also the bracket setup has changed a little bit. You want to check out the construction specifications, the match rules, tournament procedures if you like, judging if you want. This is the website that I've been talking about. This is the page where all of the information is, where all of the links are, where you're going to find all of the tips and tricks that you want. It's also like the shop website, so it's just like a page on that. So you can also find information about the shop on this website and information about last semester's competition as well. Okay. And purchasing this semester is unfortunately going to be similar to how it was last semester. Though I know a lot of you participated last semester, and so you know that you need to order well ahead of when you want your part to get there. We had some issues with delays in the parts. Just the mailroom is really overloaded. They don't have enough staff, and so it's hard for them to get their packages to BYU and then sent out to the different buildings on campus. So we're going to use the same kind of purchasing system, which implies a Qualtrics survey. And instead of making you wait 7 days after you sign up, I've decided that it's better if you have it earlier so you can purchase whatever parts that you think are going to be necessary as soon as you can. And then you can use your budget, your $100 bot building budget, like you saw on the flyer, at the Ecken shop and also on that Qualtrics survey. And there's a link to that on the website and also in an email that you'll get after you sign up. And then for people who are at BYU, Utah State, and Weber State, you don't have to put in an address anymore. The BYU packages will be shipped directly to the shop and you'll pick them up there. And then Utah State and Weber State have something similar. And you can see those addresses on the purchasing survey when you take that as well. So you know who to contact and where to pick it up. And that was for people on the live stream. And with your $100 budget, you can only use like up to that budget. So if you're like, oh, I'm going to buy this thing on Amazon, but I have $30 left on my budget, but it's like $50. So I'm going to use that $30 and then $20 of my own. It doesn't work like that. You got to cover the whole thing or none of it with that budget because the secretaries, the Ecken secretaries order it for you. And so splitting it doesn't work that way. And then you need a good reason to buy whatever it is you're buying. It'll ask you for a reason. So like no refrigerators, I guess. Darn. All right, let's open it up for questions. Yes, Nate. No, flamethrowers are not allowed. The same weapons that were not allowed last semester are not allowed this semester. Yeah. Yeah, so there are like not approved weapons that are like actually, yeah, they're listed in the rules, I think. But other than that, no. Yeah, right here. Yeah, so for Beetle Battle, any metal that you can machine, like, yeah, any material. Any material where you can make a bot out of it, that's allowed. Like you could put in a plastics class robot. If you really wanted, you could just take last year's robot and put it in, but like it wouldn't do well because it's plastic. Yeah. So we have some sheet metal, but we don't have a way to like really manufacture it or get it in the shape that you want. Yeah. Yeah. So Qualtrics survey. Yeah. Yeah. Anything the shop doesn't have Qualtrics survey is going to be providing for you. I'm sorry if that limits your options, but purchasing is really hard to figure out. Yes. Yes. So there's the ant weight class, which is 1 pound and under, and it's a plastics class only. So it's a plastics division. Like anything you can 3D print, like the basic level of what you can 3D print as far as plastics go. The plastics I listed, that's what's allowed for that class as far as armor and weapons. And then the Beetle weight class is 3 pounds and under any material. All right. Any other questions? All right. I think we're going to move on to the Kahoot. The Raspberry Pi. Is it still upstairs? Is the pie still upstairs? I didn't bring it. Thanks. So if you weren't here in the last times that we've done Kahoot said meetings, this basically is going to test what you learned and remembered from the slides and the general. Yes. I'm going to give you 15 more seconds to get in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. When and where are build nights? Right, good job. Thursdays at 6 and 413 CB. So this is going to be in the northeast corner of the Clyde building. Every Thursday. There aren't any holidays this semester. So yeah. Awesome. Good job, you guys. See it out. Yep. April 4th and 413 CB, that's where safety inspections are. And you need to pass the safety inspection in order to compete. And you can do that after the day of the safety inspection or the day of. Anytime the shop is open after safety inspection day, you can come and finish or start or complete your safety inspection. Just get it done at least 30 minutes before the first match of your bracket starts. Yeah. Hmm. I wonder. Just in case you didn't hear what I said just now for you guys. Let's go. Good job. Everybody heard me. It's good. All right. What day is the competition? What day do you need to set aside entirely? Job. Yeah. April 13th. It's a Saturday. Be there or be square. 2 weeks after Easter. Right. Cool. Said this just a couple. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. 30 minutes. 1 hour is fine. If you want to do that, be great. One-foot cube. 1 foot cube needs to be able to fit inside that area. But does it need to stay that way? Maybe you could be creative. Stop. You can actually have parts that come out after. Yeah. Yeah, 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 exactly. If your robot explodes, it is no longer within 1 foot cube. Can't wait plastic. What material can't you use? Yep, yep. Carbon fiber is definitely a no-no for the plastics class. Yeah, 1 pound and 3 pounds for wheeled robots. Right, Ben? Dr. Lloyd knew that one. You spend your team budget. It's just large cheese. Just kidding. Yeah. In the shop or on that Qualtrics survey? Like it was last semester, you might be in trouble. Immediately after signing up, I decided to make it so that you can buy things immediately. Can you use it like a gift card though? No. The answer is no, you cannot. All right. Got Ben W in third place. Woo! And Wesley in second. And who got first place? Who got the Raspberry Pi? Ben H, where are you? All right, Ben, here's your prize. Give a round of applause for Ben. All right, great job, you guys. Okay, we're gonna give you guys a chance to mingle. If you haven't found a team yet, get to know some people, grab another donut if there are some other donuts. Hang out. And if you want to see highlights from last competition, we're gonna play you a highlights reel here.